So is there a reason why you're bringing me to my favorite restaurant?
Because you're my dad and I actually kind of like him.
Yeah. Feast.
Chum's already here?
You're already here?
Hey guys. You're just in time. I took the liberty of ordering for us.
What'd you order me?
Only the finer things. Here we go. Don't mind if I do.
What is going on here? Nice dinner. You guys are being polite. You bring me to my favorite restaurant. Something's got to be up.
Can you just have a good time? Sold the demon.
Really? How much you sell a demon for?
110. I made you $35,000 in a day.
That's your job.
110,000, Rick. Do you even know how much money that is? Pass the cheese.
So the shop made $35,000, but the shop is paying for dinner. So you know what? Thank you, Rick, for dinner.
Thank you, Rick, for dinner.
Thank you for making me $35,000. That's your job.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
It's rude. Hold on. You got a little on your face. Have we tried the calamari?
Can I have one?
You don't have to eat everything.